Guys, welcome to another video of 5 days of Google Agentic AI Intensive. Now in this video, we are going to make this image generation agent of our own with cost approval. This is an exercise which you have to do in day 2B. Now here I will be importing a few libraries and you can also copy this code. It will be in the description. Now here we have given bulk threshold, which will be 1. So anything above 1 will be out of our threshold. So it will require approval. Then we have MCP everything, which is an MCP server, and then we'll be using this getTinyImage tool. After that, we are going to make an approval tool which will request images. Here are some functions you can read inside and some if statement. So if the image is number of images less than bulk threshold, then it will be approved automatically, and if not, then it will ask for confirmation and the status will show as pending until the request is approved. And if it is approved, which is tool confirmation dot confirmed, then the status will be approved and the number of images will be printed, or else it will be returned as rejected. So we can also run this cell as well. You can always run any cell with shift plus enter. So now coming to our agent, and this is basically an agent we are creating which will have a few things that is called request image, the function that we have created above, and if status is pending, then it will ask user for approval. On approval call, it will call the appropriate MCP tool, which is our getTinyImage. So now here's the agent and here's the instruction that we have given it. You have given it a few rules and you can read them as well. We have only used one tool, that is MCP everything. Now here we have created our resumable app plus runner. This has the same pattern as shipping. If you have done this exercise, or I will say notebook of day 2B, we have another example above which is about shipping. I think it was something about shipping. And now here's the function, helper function. This is basically to tie everything up together. This is basically the workflow. This is similar to run shipping workflow. So here we can see that it has a few functions. After that, we can run this command. Now it will be of 3 things, which is basically one is there are 3 demos. First is single image, second is bulk with approval, and the third is bulk with rejection. You can see the outputs. You can see the first image as it is below the threshold. The image itself is already approved. In the second one, since we have given the auto approve is equal to true, so it will be approved. It will show as approved by human decision since we gave it the parameter. And in the end, you can see we gave the auto approve is equal to false, so it did not accept the request and it rejected it. And you can see human decision rejected. This is the assignment, or you will say exercise for today's notebook. I hope you guys had fun. I will provide all the code in the description. You can copy paste it and run for yourself. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.